Happy Easter to all the Christians celebrating all over the world. So last week we discussed the worst places to keep your emergency fund, and the big question now is, where do we keep our emergency fund? And that's what this video is all about. So before you assume that your old bank account will do, or before you bury your cash under your mattress, let me share with you some key things you need to know about where to keep your emergency fund. With this knowledge, you can make the most out of your money and ensure that you are truly prepared for whatever life throws on your way. In this video, I will dive deep into the best options for emergency fund placement and review the pros and cons of each one of them. Number 5 will blow your mind. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of where to keep your emergency fund and why it matters more than you think. So stay tuned and let's get started. The first and the best option to keep your emergency fund is high-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account is a type of savings account that offers a high interest rate than a traditional savings account. This means that the money you deposit into a high-yield savings account will earn more interest over time, allowing your savings to grow faster. The interest rate offered by a high-yield savings account can vary depending on the bank, but it is typically much higher than a traditional savings account. High-yield savings accounts are particularly useful for emergency fund savings because they provide easy access to your money in case of unexpected expenses or emergencies. Unlike a certificate of deposit or other types of savings accounts, high-yield savings accounts allow you to withdraw your money without penalty at any time, and we all know that accessibility is a key factor when choosing where to keep your emergency fund. This means that you can use your emergency fund savings when you need it most, without worrying about paying fees or losing interest. Additionally, because high-yield savings accounts offer high interest rates, your emergency fund will grow faster and provide more financial security in the event of unexpected expenses. The second best option for emergency fund placement is a money market account. A money market account is a type of savings account that typically offers high interest rate than a traditional savings account. It is similar to savings account but with some added benefit. Money market account typically require a high minimum balance than a traditional savings account, but in return they offer high interest rate and more flexibility with your money. Unlike a traditional savings account, a money market account may offer check writing privileges, allowing you to access your fund more easily. Money market accounts are a great option for emergency fund savings because they offer high interest rates and easy access to your money when you need it. This makes them a good alternative to high-yield savings account or certificate of deposit, which often require a minimum deposit or have penalties for early withdrawals. Because the interest rates on money market accounts are typically higher than a traditional savings account, your emergency fund can grow faster over time, providing you with more financial security in case of unexpected expenses. Additionally, the check writing privileges can provide some added confidence in accessing your fund in case of an emergency. The third best option for emergency fund placement is certificate of deposit. A certificate of deposit is a type of savings account that typically offers high interest rate than a traditional savings account or even high yield savings account. With a certificate of deposit, you agree to leave your money deposited for a fixed term, ranging from a few months to several years in exchange for higher interest rate. The longer the term of the certificate of deposit, the higher the interest rate is likely to be. Once the term of the certificate of deposit is over, you can withdraw your money and the interest it has earned. Certificate of deposit can be a good option for emergency fund savings if you have a lump sum of money that you don't expect to need in the near future. Because the money is locked in for a fixed term, it can be a good way to gain higher interest rates while still having relatively low risk investment. However, it is important to understand that there are penalties for early withdrawals, which means you may not be able to access your fund in an emergency without paying a fee. Additionally, it is important to consider the length of the certificate of deposit term and whether you can afford to have your money locked in for that period of time, as you may miss out on better opportunities if interest rates rise during the time. Overall, while a certificate of deposit can be a good option for emergency fund savings, it is important to consider the advantages and disadvantages before deciding if it is the right choice for you. The fourth place to keep your emergency fund is in treasury bonds. Treasury bonds, also known as T-bonds, are a type of investment issued by the United States Department of the Treasury. They are considered to be a safe and low-risk investment because they are backed by the full faith and credit of the United States government. Treasury bonds are fixed rate and a fixed term, ranging from 10 to 30 years. They are typically sold in denominations of $1,000 or more and bear interest semi-annually. While treasury bonds can be a good long-term investment, they may not be the right choice for your emergency fund savings because they have a fixed term. It may not be easy to access your money if you need it before the bond matures. Additionally, while they are considered a low-risk investment, they may not be completely risk-free. The value of the treasury bonds can fluctuate based on changes in interest rates and other economic factors. Overall, while treasury bonds can be a good addition to a well-diversified investment portfolio, they may not be the right choice for emergency fund savings, which should be easily accessible and low risk. Like I told you, number 5 will blow your mind. The fifth best option for emergency fund placement is an online bank. An online bank is a financial institution that operates entirely online without any physical branches. Online bank offer a variety of financial services including a checking account or savings account and even loans. One of the main benefits of using an online bank is the convenience and the accessibility it provides. With an online bank, you can access your funds 24/7 from anywhere with an internet connection, which can be especially useful in an emergency. Online banks are a great option for emergency fund savings because they offer high interest rates than the traditional brick and mortar banks. They also typically have lower fees and minimum balance requirements, making it easier to save and grow your emergency fund over time. Additionally, many online banks offer features like mobile check deposit and bill pay, making it easy to access and manage your money on the go. Overall, an online bank can be a great choice for your emergency fund savings, providing easy access to your money, competitive interest rates, and low fees. While all these are great places to store your emergency fund, it is important to do your own research and understand what works best in your country and how it relates to you. Thanks for watching today. That is it for today, folks. I hope you like the video, and if you have watched this end, I can bet you like it. And if you do, hit that subscribe button and also share this video to your friends, family for more insights. See you next time.